Hello, my name is Gary Dornbach. I'm the lead pastor of Refuge Church here in Independence, Missouri. And chances are, if you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about investing some money into really a technology package, whether that be live stream, soundboard, microphones, lighting. One of my good friends recommended Darren Cooper and Porch Media, and so I thought, well, we'll give him a shot. And so we gave him a call, and Darren just absolutely blew everybody else out of the water. They had a top-notch presentation. We saw the renderings kind of what the building, the space would look like. And so we hired them for the entire thing. So they handled our LED wall, our microphones, our in-ear monitor systems, our platform lighting, backlighting, our live stream, soundboard, everything, pretty much everything technologically related to the building they handled. And so it's been a great process. Not only the beginning presentation, the pricing was fair, the education on what things did and why we would want to make a decision to go one way or another, it was all great. And when we looked into an LED wall, I couldn't have told you what the difference was between one, because one person will say, oh yeah, we'll give it to you for this much, and then somebody else is triple that price, and I didn't know what pixel throw rate, blah, 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 all that stuff was. Darren kind of broke it all down for me. We went with a great wall, and I'll say this, when we launched, when we had the LED wall launch on a Sunday, we had a video going, and everyone who walked in our sanctuary doors, it was like, wow. And our goal in churches, we're not just trying to get a wow factor, but really it adds a visual element to a service. The graphics, the videos, the scriptures, the song lyrics, everything, it adds to the whole worship experience for someone. And it's done with such excellence from their company. I really would recommend highly Darren Cooper, Adam, Porch Media, and their entire team.